Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter or X account in just simple steps. So if you want to delete your X account temporarily or permanently, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. Let's open the app on iPhone or an Android, and then you want to make sure that you are logged into the account which you want to delete. The next step is to click on your profile picture at the top left and the side menu will pop up. Then tap on the settings and supports and then click on settings and privacy. This is gonna open up our X settings, so click on the first option which is your account and we will get to this page with 4 different options. Tap on the deactivate your account button and then we can proceed with deleting our account. We don't have a dedicated delete button, but we will have to deactivate our account first. When the profile is deactivated, your profile and everything else will be hidden and no one will be able to find it. And if you change your mind, you can always restore your account by logging in within a period of 30 days. But after the 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and you can't get it back. So if you do want to delete it, click on the deactivate button and then enter your password, and that's it. Just don't reactivate your account in next 30 days and it will be deleted forever. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.